In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move a space to another workspace in ClickUp using a simple and reliable method. This is especially useful if you're reorganizing teams, migrating projects, or setting up a new workspace without rebuilding everything from scratch. We'll do this by turning your space into a template and importing it into a different workspace. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your ClickUp account and open the space that you want to move. Make sure you're inside the correct workspace and viewing the full space you plan to transfer. Next, look for the three dots menu next to the space name and click on it. This opens additional options for managing that space. From the menu, click on Templates and then choose Save as Template. This step allows you to package the entire space so it can be reused elsewhere. Now, type in a clear and recognizable name for your template so you can easily find it later. After naming it, enable public sharing. This is important because it allows the template to be accessed across different workspaces. Next, click on Import Everything to ensure all lists, tasks, statuses, and settings are included in the template. Once everything is selected, click on Save Template. Your space is now saved as a reusable template. Finally, go to the workspace where you want to move the space, open Templates, and import the saved template into that workspace. And just like that, you've successfully moved a space from one ClickUp workspace to another. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step ClickUp guides.